in the test factor.
We are an independent service and repair shop for, in particular, European cars, high-end cars like Mercedes, Porsche, and some Italian exotic sports cars. We also have two other departments where we repair, tune, service, all makes and models. Here is our engine rebuild room. We actually do repair and rebuild engines here, and as I said before, it is very important to be able to measure things. You need to have an understanding about sizing, about tolerances. Engines like that have tolerances in the valve train, in timing, which is as little as 100th millimeter. And so you need to be able to work with micrometers and with calipers in order to do the job. So we are here in our EDV lab. It stands for Electronic Data Communication. It is something very important. As I told you before, cars are controlled by computers. Late model cars, they have up to 30 to 40 standalone computer systems. What we do here is we not only read software, we rewrite software for various reasons, troubleshooting, if an engine gets older and the signals are changing, but nothing is wrong, like we are getting older too, so then we have sometimes engine lights going on and there's absolutely nothing wrong with the car. So that needs a retuning from software, an adjustment, adjust the software to the mechanics, which are not brand new anymore. All those things we are doing here. And beside that, we also can read cars here, like doing troubleshooting, doing testing, analyzing. Well, how do you want to fix that? You can't go on the road and waste a day and fuel. We put it on here, we hook the car up on all these different sensors to read pressure, to do data logs, and then we drive the car and the dyno stationary and see behavior and hopefully find the problem. The modern computers, they're so smart. They are having software, it's called engine momentum software. So they pre-calculating the horsepower and torque in engine speed and load all the time. So if, let's say, an engine is driving 50% load, 4,000 RPM, the computer knows at that load and that speed, we have to have that horsepower. If for some reason, maintenance reason, service reason, the engine doesn't create that, the software is changing and giving that horsepower constantly. It is a lot more to it than that, and there are engine dynamics. They are in play. As you may recall what I said before, 30 years ago, the first computers, or 25 years ago, the first computer I worked on, we had 3 to 5 tables. Today, we have over 20,000. And you have to be thrilled by mathematics, by numbers, by software, and then you have to have the flair and the relationship to automotive technique. You combine that together and you're having fun.